Hi everyone, this is how you use set 1 additional practice. So all of these optional problems are given up here, and you should choose probably like 4 to 6 to try on your own. And you would want to try ones that are challenging but not impossible for you. And try to do a variety. So maybe do one where it looks like this, and then one where it is given in vertex form, and then maybe try a factored form one or one of these. And then when you see PSAF, that's problem solving in algebraic fluency. So that's the problem that gets put down here, PSAF. So in terms of my solution key, I give you some of the answers to these. Of course, you could use Desmos to check on your answers, and I also give you some hints up here of remember to use PEMDAS backwards. And so, for instance, the way that I did this first one is I label it. I'm going to work on number C, and I put in letter C. I put in f of x equals negative x squared plus x. It's already in standard form, and then I complete that puzzle. When I'm done with that puzzle, I check my answers on Desmos. So negative x squared negative x squared plus x. And when does that equal 0? And it equals 0 at x equals 0 and x equals 1. And that matches my algebraic solution. So those are some hints. When you get stuck, make sure to use Desmos, because I used Desmos, for instance, to get the vertex of this one. And it was quite hard to figure out the setup because I have an a value of -1, but my vertex awkwardly starts at a decimal. So it would be over 1, up 1, or down 1, because it's negative. And then over 2, down 4. And then it was quite tricky to figure out that my x-intercepts were at 0, 0, and 1, 0. One way that you could do that is by factoring this. So pull out the common factor of x, and then you have x plus x, x plus 1 like this. Down here, when does that equal 0? So you actually found your x-intercepts down here. So that's a hint for part C. And then I think I also gave a hint for part D, the algebraic part down here. I gave a hint on some reminders on factoring and how to enter that into Desmos. So a little reminder on Desmos, this would be y1 and this would be y2. So if I go in here, y1 equals x squared plus 6, and y2 equals x 7x. And then there's my graph. I can zoom out a little bit, and I would click on my intersections and just sketch that in my puzzle set. So those are some hints and methods for how to approach the rest of set 1.